Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel. Friends, please subscribe my channel. Friends, video topics, very important topics. Friends, my channel name is Tech Barges Bradley YouTube channel. Tech Barges Bradley YouTube channel. Friends, please subscribe my channel. Friends, video topics: use of virtual data rooms. Friends, please subscribe my channel. Friends, Magress and equation procedures are the most common use of virtual data room. These responsibilities provide a place for the due diligence needed during the financiation of the deal. Those business transactions involve large amount of documents, many of which are confidential and contain sensitive information. Using of virtual data is a safe and reliable way for interested parties to review and access documents as the in negotiation. Business after work with one another to procedures and manufacture product are during the construction of the building and the offered service. Friends, forming and maintain this business relationship requires contract and the frequent transmission of data. Virtual data rooms provide for the strong of those contracts and make reality available documents needed for the continuance of business partnership. As an example, changes made to the blueprint of startups by an engineer are immediately available to all contracts involved in the project. Friends, please subscribe my channel. Very important topics, video topics is very important. Friends, please subscribe my channel. Friends, video topics is very important. Friends, please subscribe my channel. Tech Barges Bradley YouTube channel. Tech Barges YouTube channel. Friends, please subscribe my channel. Friends, use of virtual data room. Friends, please subscribe my channel.